Welcome back once again on my YouTube channel. It's your boy Kwame Forest right here. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate your lot size. All right, how to know the right lot size for your trades. All right, so guys, if today happens to be your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and then put on the notification bell and then like this video you are watching as well. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. So guys, if you are trading either ProFirm or your personal account and you are struggling to know the right lot size to use on your trades, then guys, I got you covered in this video. All right, so guys, let's head straight to the screen and then let me show you this tool that will help you to calculate your lot size and then know the right lot size to use on your trades. All right, so guys, let's dive onto the screen. Okay guys, so this is how you can get this position size calculator tool so that it can help you to calculate your lot size, or it can help you to know the right lot size to use on your trade. All right, so this app is available on Google Play Store, and those who are using iPhone can also get it as well, right? And you can also use the website version which we are going to use. All right, so if you want to use the website version, you just head straight to any browser that you are using and then type in this Baby Pips position calculator, and you're going to get this, and just click on the first link. So guys, if you click on the first link, this is where it will take you to, right? Take you to this calculator, all right, which will help you to calculate your lot size. All right, so guys, let's say we want to enter a trade. We have done our analysis and we want to enter a trade, all right, and we don't know the right lot size to use on the account or right lot size to enter on the trade. All right, so guys, as you know, a lot of people will tell you risk 1%, 2%, and even 0.5% on your account. So let's say guys, we are going to risk 2% of 5k account. All right, let's say we are trading a ProFirm and we are going to use 1%, which we are going to risk 1% on our trade. All right, so let's go back to our chart. Right, let's go back to the chart and then let me show you something right here. So guys, as you can see, this is our chart. Let's say we have done our analysis and we want to enter a trade, but we don't know the right lot size to use. All right, so let's take our buy tool. All right, let's take our buy tool right here. Here is it. Let's take this buy tool and then position it right here. Let's put it right here. Let's say we want to buy from here. Guys, let's say, okay, let's say we want to buy from here, and then this where we're going to place our take profit and our stop loss. All right, the stop loss is very important if you want to know the right lot size to use on your trade. All right, so let's say we are entering the trade right here and we are risking 50 pips, all right, which is 59 pips, almost 60 pips, and we are targeting this resistance right here. We are targeting this resistance, all right, which is also 150 pips. All right, so guys, for you to know the right lot size to use on your 5k account, this is what you have to do. You have to write down this pips, all right, which is stop loss in pips, and then go back to the Baby Pips position size calculator. All right, so let's say our account is in dollars, all right, and then this is our account balance. Let's type in 5,000. Let's say we are trading 5,000 ProFirm account, all right, and we are going to risk 2%, which is $100. If you are trading 5k account and you are risking $100, that means you are risking 2% of a trade that you are taking. All right, so let's type in 2 right here, and also our stop loss is 59. All right, 59 pips, which is almost 60 pips. All right, and let's say we are trading GBP USD. All right, you are trading GBP USD. You can select any pair that you are trading. All right, and then you hit on. After selecting all these things, or after entering all this, you have to click on this button right here, which is calculate. All right, and it is going to calculate everything for you, the right lot size you need to use on your trade. All right, so on this trade, which your stop loss is 59 pips, you have to enter 0.16 lots. All right, here as you can see it, right, standard lot, you have to enter 0.16 lot, and as you can see it right here, it is 0.69, and if you do a runner up, I think it's going to be 0.17, which is 0.17 pips. All right, or sorry, 0.17 lot size that you have to enter on that specific trade. All right, let's go back to the trading view, and then let me show you. Let's say this is the trade and you want to risk 59 pips. That's a exact lot size you have to enter so that you can be able to risk that 2% of your account. All right, so guys, this is very, very, very important. And if you want to enter anything, or if you any type of account that you are trading and you want to know the right lot size to use, just come here and then enter everything. If you are trading, if let's say if you are trading $1,000, let's do one more example. Let's say if you are trading $1,000 account and then you are risking 2% of that $1,000 account, and let's say our stop loss is 40 pips. All right, and we are trading the same pair, which is GBP USD. After all this, you click on calculate, and as you can see, it's going to also calculate everything for you right here. Right, for you to raise 2% on your $1,000 account, you need to use this kind of this kind of lot size right here. Right, this the type of lot size that you need to enter on your trade. All right, for proper risk management. All right, so guys, this is how you can calculate your lot size, and this tool is very, 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 very helpful. And okay guys, so as you saw it, that's how to calculate lot size. All right, and that's how you can know how to enter the right lot size on your trade. All right, so if you enter everything in the calculator is going to show you the amount you are risking, and then also the right lot size to use on that specific trade that you are taking. All right, so guys, if you find this video very helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Let's take this channel to 2K before this year ends. All right, thank you for subscribing, and then see you in another video. Peace out.